Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you the two different methods to reset your PlayStation 5. One is when you are on the home screen of the PlayStation and we go up to Settings, and then we go on down to System, and we select this. Then under System Software, go to the right, and then go down to Reset Options. But before we select that, if we go to Backup and Restore, we can actually back up our games, apps, and data using a USB drive right under this section. Then once we select the games that we want to back up, we can plug in our USB drive later on, and we can go to Restore your PS5. Then, if we go on down to Reset Options, and reset your console right here, this will remove all users and all data from the PlayStation 5. So everything will be completely erased. It'll be just like new when you bought your PS5. So you'll need your email address and password to sign back into your account. Now, what if you can't access the home screen on the PlayStation 5 and go up to Settings? Well, you can actually reset this in safe mode. So if I press Options right now and go to Power, I'm going to completely turn off my PlayStation 5. Now with your PlayStation 5 completely turned off and it's not in rest mode, so there is no like orange or red light over here, locate the power button on the PlayStation 5 and then hold it down. You will hear one beep initially, and then 5 to 10 seconds later we will hear another beep. And this will launch our PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu. Now we will need a USB cable connected to the USB slot, and we will have to plug in our controller for us to operate the safe mode menu. So let's plug in my controller. And then once it charges, we can press the PlayStation button and we can see it switching to teal now. And we can use the D-pad now to operate the menu. Now let's go on down to option number 6 right here, Reset PlayStation 5. So once again, it's going to say all users and all data will be deleted from your PlayStation 5. Are you sure you want to continue? Go on down to yes. Now if we back up and we go to option number 7, we can reinstall the system software at the same time. So if our PlayStation 5 is completely messed up beyond all repair, we can download the system software from the PlayStation website to a USB drive, and we can plug that in, and we can go ahead and get a fresh copy of the PlayStation 5 operating system as we reset the PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.